Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry about the delay. I know it's been a couple days since I made a video. But just picking up where we left off, we're going to introduce one of the logical operators in this video. So just to quickly review this code, we create a scanner variable using this method. Well, not method, this program statement. And then we use this input variable to have the user input a string. Okay? And it's supposed to be yes or no. That's what's implied here. Do you want to continue? Yes or no. And then we are going to alter this by accepting either a capital Y or a lowercase y. Let's go ahead and run this real quick. Just do a quick review. And it's waiting. When you first run the program, when you first open this up, it takes forever. But after that, it'll run fine. We're going to type in capital Y. It says proceed, indicating that it has this boolean expression evaluates the true. And if we run it again, do you want to continue? I type in a lowercase y. It skips this program statement and skips to the terminate program statement. Now, we're going to introduce an OR operator, and that's what you see right here. We're going to go over more on the OR operator in the next couple videos, but right now, just to introduce it, it is represented by two pipe signs. That is the symbol above the enter key and below the backspace key on a standard keyboard. If you hold down shift and press that backslash key, it's going to use the pipe symbols, right? And this is OR. So now this character can either be a capital Y or this character can be a lowercase y. If one of these are true, this whole expression will evaluate the true. So again, I'm going to cover this more in detail, probably in the next video, in a specific detail. But this is how we can accept a lowercase or an uppercase y. And there's still two more logical operators we need to go over. So yes, if we type in the lowercase y, it proceeds because it's taken the first character, comparing it to a capital Y. If this first expression evaluates the true, it doesn't even check this one over here. If this evaluates the false, then it will check it. Now, of course, if they're both false, the whole expression evaluates the false. Let's say I type in N. And this evaluates the false, and this evaluates the false. So since neither one of these are true, this whole entire Boolean expression becomes false. Now, there's quite a bit to talk about on these logical operators, but this is how we can input more than one simple expression and to make it a complex expression. Okay, so that's all the farther I'm going to go on this video. And we just barely broke into the logical operators. And we have quite a bit more to talk about. Thank you for watching. Now let's watch the next video.